Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Sport Autobiography Dynamic in Eiger Grey. This car is next due for a service in October 2021. You have 22-inch alloy wheels with a silver finish. The car's previously had only one owner and it's a 4.4 V8. Going into your boot, you can see you have plenty of space there. Your mats are ready to go into the vehicle, and you can also put the seats down if you do need more room. Going round and to the front, because the car is locked, I can just pull the handle using keyless entry and it will open. Illuminated Range Rover script tread plates and a lovely contrasting leather interior. A sliding panoramic roof, which is really nice to open on a sunny day like today. Front centre console cooler compartment, which is handy if you go on long journeys often and want to keep refreshments cold. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. Various different driving modes depending on the weather or where you're driving. Grass, gravel and snow, mud ruts, sand and rock crawl, or just push it back down for auto. A 360-degree camera, making parking and reversing so much easier, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, and you can also adjust the brightness or turn it off altogether. Controls on your wheel, including a speed limiter, lane departure warning and blind spot monitor, all useful when driving along the motorway. A heated steering wheel, which is a luxury on a cold winter morning. Memory seats, ideal if there's several people driving the car, and a Meridian sound system. This car's done 5,514 miles. And stepping back outside the vehicle, that was a stunning Range Rover Sport. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.